This is the ultimate camera comparison video of Samsung Galaxy S25 and Xiaomi 15T Pro. This is the Pro version of Xiaomi. We're starting with the selfie video recording and the audio test 4K 30 FPS. Let's switch to the Xiaomi phone. And this is the audio test of Xiaomi 15T Pro, the Pro version of Xiaomi. They both have ultra-wide main sensor and the zoom. This is Samsung Galaxy S25. I think that's it for the selfie video recording and the audio test. Let the battle begin. Starting with the ultra-wide, we got a brighter Galaxy S25 but the colors are popping out a bit more on the Xiaomi phone. It also has a warmer white balance compared to the Galaxy competition. On the main sensor, we got a shallower depth of field on Xiaomi 15T Pro. The colors are also good. While we get a brighter and muted colors on Galaxy S25, contrast is also stronger on the Xiaomi phone. On the zoom test, we got a more zoomed in 5x on Xiaomi 15T Pro compared to the 3x of S25. We got a warmer white balance and also a bit sharper. And going for the 4D zoom, we got 100 times space zoom on Xiaomi Flagship. But in terms of close focus, the main sensor of S25 has a closer focus compared to the Xiaomi phone. Checking 1x on portrait mode, I kinda like the look of Galaxy S25 natural looking, and you got a lot of details compared to a warmer saturated Xiaomi 15T Pro, but this is a matter of personal taste. Inspecting the 2x, evidently we got a stronger contrast on Xiaomi 15T Pro, which some people might prefer. Also, it overly exposed the face compared to the Samsung Flagship. On portrait zoom, we got 5x zoom on Xiaomi 15T Pro and there's a lot of details as well. Galaxy S25 has 3x and 5x crop. The image is just okay, a bit soft and the colors are toned down. On the selfie, I will give this to Galaxy S25. We got a lot of details on the face and also the exposure is better compared to the stronger looking Xiaomi 15T Pro. Alright, daylight video recording or video quality test in the morning. So this is the video quality on the ultra-wide 0.6x on both phones. So we got a more colorful, saturated Xiaomi 15T Pro in terms of the grass. But you got a brighter sky on Galaxy S25. Let's check the autofocus. You would also notice there's over-sharpening on Galaxy S25. Let's check the video stabilization. Alright, switching to the main sensor. And you would see that Xiaomi 15T Pro is more colorful compared to the natural looking Galaxy S25. But again, the sky is colorful on Galaxy S25. Let's check the autofocus. Faster on S25. And let's check the video stabilization. And going for the zoom, we got 3x zoom on Galaxy S25 and 5x zoom on Xiaomi 15T Pro. I like the quality of the zoom on the Xiaomi phone. And going for the farther zoom, we got 12x on Galaxy S25 and 15x, so much better on Xiaomi 15T Pro. On night shot using the ultra-wide, we got a better exposed Galaxy S25. The contrast is stronger on the Xiaomi 15T Pro. On pitch black, we will see more on the Galaxy phone. On the main sensor, it's the other way around. We got better exposure on Xiaomi 15T Pro, but I also like the contrast and darkness of the image compared to the purplish look of Galaxy S25. And on the zoom, we got a sharper and more detailed look on Galaxy S25. There's a bit of motion blur on Xiaomi 15T Pro. That's why it's soft sometimes, but if you put this phone on a tripod, you will see better exposure on the Xiaomi Flagship. Now we're checking the low light video on these two phones, starting with Samsung Galaxy S25 selfie video recording 4K 30 FPS. And this is Xiaomi 15T Pro compared to Samsung Galaxy S25. I like the contrast, a bit darker compared to Samsung S25, but you got more details and better contrast on this phone. And checking the rear camera, so this is the ultra wide, both in 4K 30 FPS. Samsung Galaxy S25 versus Xiaomi 15T Pro. And you would notice that you got better exposure on a Xiaomi phone compared to Galaxy S25. Switching to the main sensor. And you got a brighter but softer S25. I still prefer the ones on the 15T Pro. You got better contrast, a bit darker, but more details on this phone. And going for the zoom, we got 3x on Galaxy S25 and 5x on Xiaomi 15T Pro. Again, have more details, better sharpness on the Xiaomi 15T Pro. And lastly, the video feature test. This is bokeh or video bokeh on Xiaomi 15T Pro in 4K 30 FPS. And we call this portrait video on Samsung Galaxy S25, also in 4K 30 FPS. And in terms of video resolution, we have 8K video recording, 8K 30 FPS on Xiaomi 15T Pro. And this is also 8K video recording, 8K 30 FPS on Samsung Galaxy S25. These are ultimate camera comparison video of these two phones. Which do you think is better in terms of the video and image quality performance? I think in terms of price, both are the same. Let me know in the comment section below which phone do you prefer and you like. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.